Do you want to know how you can sign up for Playground AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for Playground AI. Go ahead and search for Playground AI sign up and click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Playground AI. Now you can either click Get Started for free and click on Continue with Google, or you can just click Login and it will take you to the same page. This is the same page for signing in or signing up. So go ahead and click Continue with Google and make sure you do have a Google account. Go ahead and click on your account and click Continue to sign into playground.ai. Wait for a while and then you will be signed up for Playground AI and you can create a lot of characters and AI designs. It might take some time according to the internet issues or something like that, and there you go. This is the first portal for your AI over here. You can also click on Explore and explore some of the other feeds over here. You can see some of the gorgeous artworks. And yeah, this is it guys. This is how you sign up for Playground AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.